I feel Judge Clifton is deserving because of his compassion. I feel he's deserving because of his caring for the community.
He's very involved with helping people. He wants to see people rehabilitate themselves.
He actually saves lives. So that's how big of a deal it really is.
When I became a judge in 2015, I had really never dealt with people that had criminal cases, so at first I was a little bit harsh, honestly, because I didn't really know these people. But then as I became more involved and learned and talked to these people and their families and did my own scientific research, I learned that the people that I was dealing with, they were not bad people. They had a disease that they needed some help with, and that's what kind of drove me to be where I'm at today.
This whole court and the whole staff has made such an impact and changed so many lives along the way.
I decided in 2017 to separately create this charitable organization called Downriver Families Against Narcotics. We hold meetings once a month. Every month we have a speaker talk about different topics to try to help people.
He puts in a monstrous amount of time, his own time, to make that successful.
He's leading by example. I know when I first got into this and start working for Judge Clifton, I didn't see a lot of the other judges doing the things that he were doing until probably a couple years in, and I start realizing that a lot of the other Downriver judges were like, hey, what is this you're doing and how do I get involved with it? It seemed like he was the pioneer, and then the rest of the community wanted to do what he was doing and make a change.
In 2019 is when I started the treatment program here for alcohol and drug issues.
I received a DUI in Wyandotte, Michigan. I came in, I spoke with Judge Clifton, and he sent me to therapy and got me started. And it's been nothing, like I said, but a positive reinforcement in my life.
We provide them with all these resources to help them get a job, help them get housing, reconnect with their family that is often an issue.
He's always trying to help people.
The way he embraces the community. And I know a lot of people come to the meetings because of that, because they're able to feel his concern, his warmth with Downriver.
So we try to help them change their life, and we have.
Congratulations, Judge Clifton, on receiving your Community Leadership Award this evening.
Congratulations, Judge. Well deserved.
Congratulations, Judge Clifton, on your award. You are very deserving.
Judge Clifton, I just want to say congratulations on receiving this award. There's no better person that deserves to have this award but you.